Alrighty, guys, I'm absolutely devastated. Devastated about what's going on right now around this world. You obviously saw the title of this video, and I want to do this video for you for two reasons out there. And this is probably more for the men than anything else. And I just really want to share this with you. Firstly, Ray Dalio, people like Ray Dalio have been really warning us about where we're going in life, right? Where we're going. Sorry guys, I'm just getting a bit emotional here right now. Love Donald Trump or hate Donald Trump, who he is as a person, and man, for me, I guess I'm getting emotional because if you look at Donald Trump as a person, right, it's like, if you look at him, he's a great role model for people like a man to get ahead in life, how to take on a whole bunch of bullshit and keep moving forward. He's such a great, when a man looks at him and says, this is what I need to emulate if I actually want to get ahead in today's world, is I've got to be able to take this bullshit this world's going to throw at me and to keep going. And not only that, but the books that he's done and the stuff that I have learned so much from Donald Trump, and just who he is as a person, and you know, it's I fully endorse Donald Trump. I fully endorse Donald Trump. And I've been hoping he does, one, be okay after this. Like, I think the bullet almost just grazed his face. We were literally millimeters away from the next civil war. And this is just absolutely crazy about what is going on right now. And there's two things I really want to share with you. The first thing has got to do with the actual you as a person, and the second thing is about the actual markets. All right, I'll get the market thing out of the way. Traders, there is going to be so much crazy volatility over the next 12 months. And I really want you to be serious about your own trading. All right? Do not be going out there just blindly following every single thing out there, right? Because guess what? Right? It's time for you to be serious about these markets. It's time for you to get really serious about these markets and treat it professionally, because the volatility is going to absolutely destroy so many people, financially wipe financial people out. This world is getting more and more crazy, and with that, it's going to come a crazy volatility. And I'm screaming at you guys, if you are not getting some help, get some help. You can see my stuff for free. There's a webinar below. You can go check out that, right? That's not what this is all about. I'm not trying to sell you something here. I'm trying to show you guys, listen, just get the help, because this is a sign of what's to come. And the main thing I want to talk about with this video here is this. This morning, I actually went with my son to the gym. And my son's just turned 16 years of age. His name's Curtis. And today I was proud of my son because he did his very first 100 kilo deadlift today for 2 to 3 reps. Now, put it this way, it was only a few weeks ago that he went from 85 to 90 a few weeks ago. And now, literally with me today, he did 100 kilos. And then we did sprints on the treadmills at the end and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm teaching my son how to really push forward and be a man, right? Like how to get that grit and like, I'm going to get this thing. Even if it is a deadlift, right? Like, I'm going to get this thing. Teaching my son how to actually get that strength inside of him. And I need to teach my boys that, right? My daughter, she's different. She's 15 years of age and she's different, right? But for us men, I need to teach my son, not only teach my son, but show my son, right? And that's where, like, for me, I have to keep growing, right? I have to get, like, this morning, right now I'm doing this on a video on a Sunday. My oldest son, Curtis, woke up, and when he woke up, guess what? It was like 7 o'clock in the morning, and he already saw me in the office, looking at charts, going over trades, he saw me, right? And then I was talking to him about, look what Dad's doing. And today, my son saw that his dad did a 180 kilo deadlift today for 3 reps. So I did 180 kilos, which is almost, I think it's almost 400 pounds for that there. The purpose of me saying what I'm saying right now, guys, is that I do this because it's, right? Because there's so much stuff that's going to happen in our life, right? So much stuff that's going to happen in our life. And to become a man in our life, the masculinity in our life is to take on challenges and break through barriers and to keep moving forward. Even when things don't feel like they're working out, you keep going, right? You keep going. And one of the things I'm so proud about with my son is that I'm teaching my son now to grow up, because this generation, right? They're so flimsy, floppy, and they're so weak. I want my son like, yeah, let's do a 100 kilo deadlift. 16 years of age, right? Now, yes, I'm taking care of my son, right? So we did a whole bunch of proper warm up, and we pyramided up to that there, right? We started off with just 10 kilos, and then 20, and then 40, and then 80, and then we pyramided up from there, right? So I'm just trying to let you know that I'm taking care of my son as well too. I'm being smart about the way he's training. But with what's happened with this Donald Trump thing right now, guys, it is absolutely crazy. And one, there's the crazy volatility that's going to happen, especially over the next 12 months. There's going to be so many amazing opportunities to benefit from the stock market financially, right? From the volatility, if you know what you're looking for. If you don't, go check out my training link in the description, and I'll teach you that. I'll teach you what to look for. But if you don't know what you're looking for and you're just treating this as a gamble and so on and so forth, stop trading. You're going to get absolutely destroyed in the next 12 months. What we saw today is a sign to come. Protect your family. As a man, your job is to protect and serve and provide. Protect and provide. Protect them is about saying, protection is all about building them up as well too. And provide is obviously financially. Take care of yourself, right? Because right now, people are going to get destroyed financially. And not only that, but the crazy thing that's going to happen around this world right now, and the volatility right now because of what this assassination on Trump, right, is absolutely crazy. And then now we just recently saw, Elon Musk come out and supporting Elon Musk tweet come out and supporting Donald Trump with this whole thing. Guys, the world is about to get turned upside down. And I really believe that. And right now, guess what? It's the strong who are going to survive. And that's why, again, even if it's just a small thing like getting my son to do a 100 kilo deadlift, it's like, right? Get that anger out. Make it happen. And I'm trying to do this video today, guys, because I help one person. If it comes to financial, when it comes to these markets and you're trading, if you're not trading these markets seriously, you're going to get absolutely destroyed. That's one. Secondly, is that for us men, especially as a father to my kids, it's important to protect them, but also encourage and get them to become strong as well too, and get them to understand that. And my thoughts and prayers go out to the Trump family. Really does. Like, yeah, Donald Trump can be narcissistic and blah, 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 right? But they've tried so much, haven't they? So much. They've tried so much of attempts with Trump. And now look what they're doing. And I wanted to do this video, guys. The big message I wanted to do this video here is, one, to protect you financially about what's going to come. But also, secondly, is that if you're not, as a man, if we are not doing things every single day to strengthen that masculinity, like lifting heavy weight and that sort of stuff and pushing through, and right, it's important for us to do that so we can really go out there, and especially, and for us fathers, right? I'm talking to the fathers now. I'm a father of 3 kids, My youngest is 13. My oldest is 16. It's important for us fathers to become, and that's what I've learned so much from Trump, is that how he succeeded in life and how he's got ahead in life is because he's been able to have the ability to be able to take on so much shit and keep going. But unfortunately, this weak world that we're growing up in, one little small comment on YouTube or one little small comment on the internet and people are wilting like little flowers. Right? Trust me, I get it all the time. So I hope, guys, this warning sign that shit's about to get real with these markets, shit's about to get real in this world, and really it's important for us to build that strength inside of us and not wilt, but also protect yourself financially, guys, because this world is, the next 12 months or so, the volatility is going to get absolutely crazy and it's going to destroy a lot of people.